Goa is one of the most liked tourist destinations of India. The charming land here attracts the youth a lot. The blue waves rising from the sea are seen kissing the golden shores. There was a time when the fragrance of spices used to spread in its air. It was the effect of this fragrance that the Portuguese from Europe were drawn towards Goa. But Goa did not know that the Portuguese whom it was welcoming would one day start ruling it. Actually, the Portuguese had made Goa their colony. After this, the people of Goa were caught in the shackles of colonial rule. But a day came when the Portuguese were driven out of Goa. This day was recorded in the pages of history as Goa Liberation Day. Actually, this story starts with the factual background of Goa's history. Goa was under Portuguese rule for more than 4 centuries. The cultural, social, and economic changes brought about by the colonial rulers in the lives of the people of Goa had brought about a radical change. This was fueling the fire of struggle in their hearts. Further heavy taxation, forced conversions, and the establishment of an authoritarian colonial administration fueled the desire for self-rule and independence in the minds of the people of Goa. After this, the government of India decided to free Goa from the clutches of the Portuguese. As the sun began to rise on the morning of 18th December, the Indian Armed Forces entered the border in Goa by launching a military operation named Operation Vijay. Led by Major General K.P. Candith, the operation aimed to reclaim Goa and include it in the Indian Union. The Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force were working together in this operation. However, the Portuguese were taken by surprise and resisted it. Due to this, the historic city of Panaji became the center of the freedom struggle. The battle was not just on the battlefield, but also in the hearts and minds of the people who had endured years of colonial oppression. As Indian forces advanced, Portuguese resistance crumbled. The conflict reached its climax when Manuel Antonio Vassaloi Silva, the Portuguese Governor General of India, surrendered to Major General K.P. Candith of the Indian Army. Thus, on 19th December 1961, Goa was officially liberated and the Indian tricolour was hoisted here with pride. After this, Goa erupted in joyous celebrations of Liberation Day. People came out on the streets to express their happiness. The day became a symbol of unity and indomitable spirit of the people who had long yearned for their right to self-governance. After liberation, Goa became a union territory and later on 30th May 1987, it got the status of a state. Goa Liberation Day, celebrated every year on 19th December, commemorates the sacrifices made by countless individuals during the freedom struggle. Goa's integration into the Indian Union marked the end of colonial rule in the region. This paved the way for a new chapter in the history of this coastal paradise, a chapter characterized by freedom, democracy, and the quest for a shared destiny. The story of Portuguese occupation in Goa is thus one of those historical documents that record the clash of cultures, the imposition of colonial power, and the eventual quest for independence. It shaped the destiny of the region, which was once a vibrant crossroads of trade and culture. However, even today, the remnants of Portuguese influence in Goa stand as evidence of a complex and multifaceted history that defines the identity of contemporary Goa.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.